In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to store files on my computer instead of OneDrive 2026. If your documents keep saving to the cloud when you really want them on your computer, this quick walkthrough is for you. We'll use a familiar Microsoft Office app like Word or Excel, and I'll show you exactly what to click so your file lands on your local drive. The idea is simple. We'll use Save As, choose your computer, pick a local folder, and save. That's it. Start by opening any Office app you're working in. When your document or spreadsheet is ready to save, go up to the File menu in the top left corner and choose Save As. This is the key move because Save As lets you pick the exact location for this copy of your file. In the Save As view, you'll likely see OneDrive listed as an option. Ignore that. Look for the choice labeled This PC. That's your computer's local storage. If you don't immediately see this PC, select the option that lets you browse your computer. The file picker window that opens is your confirmation that you're looking at local folders. Now choose a folder on your machine where you want the file to live. Common, easy to find options include documents for work files, desktop if you like quick access from your home screen, or downloads if you're keeping everything together temporarily. You can also navigate to any other folder you regularly use. A quick tip here. Glance at the address bar in the window to confirm you're under your user folder on your computer, not a cloud path. Before you finalize, take a second to make the file name clear and descriptive so you can find it later without hunting. When everything looks right, click Save. You've just stored the file directly on your computer, bypassing OneDrive. From now on, when you keep working on that same file and press Save, it will continue saving to the same local folder you chose. If you start a new document and want it local as well, repeat these same steps. File, Save As, this PC, pick your folder, and save. A quick note on what this means. Saving to this PC keeps the file only on this device. It won't automatically sync to the cloud, which is great for privacy and offline access, but it also means it's not backed up online. If local storage is your goal, you're all set. Just remember where you put it so you can open it later from File Explorer. That's all you need to store files on your computer instead of OneDrive, simple, clear, and in your control.